Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is People, Development and Environment Set 2. Question number 1. Consider the following statements. 1. Ozone is found mostly in the stratosphere. 2. Ozone layer lies 55 to 75 kilometers above the surface of the Earth. 3. Ozone absorbs ultraviolet radiation from the sun. 4. Ozone layer has no significance for life on the Earth. Which of the above statements are correct? Option A, 1 and 3. Option B, 2 and 4. Option C, 2 and 3. Option D, 1 and 4. The correct answer is Option A, 1 and 3. Ozone layer, stratospheric ozone, is a high concentration of ozone molecules about 30 to 50 kilometers altitude, stratosphere. The main function of the ozone layer is to absorb the sun's ultraviolet radiation, hence protecting the Earth from its harmful effects. Question number 2. The natural vegetation of Savana consists of Option A, tall grass. Option B, scrub jungle. Option C, short grass. Option D, trees. The correct answer is Option A, tall grass. There are many types of grasses in the savanna, such as Rhodes grass, red oats grass and lemongrass. The Bermuda grass that many plant in their lawns is native to the African savanna, as is elephant grass, which can grow 10 feet, 3 meters, tall. Question number 3. The much discussed Tehri Dam Project is located in which of the following states? Option A, Madhya Pradesh. Option B, Rajasthan. Option C, Haryana. Option D, Uttarakhand. The correct answer is Option D, Uttarakhand. The Tehri Dam is the highest dam in India and one of the highest in the world. It is a multi-purpose rock and earth-fill embankment dam on the Bhagirathi River near Tehri in Uttarakhand, India. It is the primary dam of the THDC India Limited and the Tehri Hydroelectric Complex. Question number 4. Which of the following is the biggest freshwater lake in India? Option A, Dal Lake. Option B, Sukhna Lake. Option C, Loktak Lake. Option D, Wooler Lake. The correct answer is Option D, Wooler Lake. Wooler Lake, one of the largest freshwater lakes in India. Wooler Lake, located in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, is often referred to as the largest freshwater lake in India. Question number 5. The biggest reserves of thorium are in Option A, India. Option B, China. Option C, the Soviet Union. Option D, USA. The correct answer is Option A, India. Both the IAEA and OECD appear to conclude that India may possess the largest share of world's thorium deposits. The IAEA's 2005 report estimates India's reasonably assured reserves of thorium at 319,000 tons, but mentions recent reports of India's reserves at 650,000 tons. Question number 6. The term Regur refers to Option A, laterite soils. Option B, black cotton soils. Option C, red soils. Option D, deltaic alluvial soils. The correct answer is Option B, black cotton soils. Black soil is also called Regur soil. It is black in color and ideal for growing cotton. This type of soil is typical of the Deccan Trap, basalt, region spread over northwest Deccan Plateau and is made up of lava flows. Question number 7. Where are most of the Earth's active volcanoes concentrated? Option A. Europe. Option B. Pacific Ocean. Option C. Africa. Option D. South America. The correct answer is Option B. Pacific Ocean. More volcanoes and earthquakes in places like California and Japan. For land-based volcanoes, Indonesia is the hotbed for fiery craters since it is part of the roughly 25,000-mile stretch circling the basin of the Pacific Ocean known Ring of Fire where most active volcanoes lie. Question number 8. The fertility of the soil can be increased by growing. Option A. Cereals. Option B. Fiber crops. Option C. Legumes. Option D. Root crops. The correct answer is Option C. Legumes. The leguminous plant expands the soil ripeness due to the rhizobium bacteria in the root knobs of the plants. These microscopic bacteria changes over environmental nitrogen to a shape which can be utilized by plants. This decreases nitrogen deficiency in the dirt and makes it prolific. Question number 9. The coldest place on the earth is Option A. Halifax. Option B. Chicago. Option C. Siachen. Option D. Verkhoyansk, Antarctica. The correct answer is Option D. Verkhoyansk, Antarctica. Antarctica has recorded lower temperatures than Oymyakon or Verkhoyansk. The lowest directly recorded temperature at ground level is -89.2 degrees Celsius, -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, recorded at the Vostok Station in Antarctica on July 21, 1983, and a temperature of -93.2 degrees Celsius, -135.8 degrees Fahrenheit, was recorded via satellite observations at the east. Question number 10. Which of the following pairs of the River Dam Project and the state in which it is located is not correct? Option A. Gandhi Sagar, Madhya Pradesh. Option B. Tungabhadra, Tamil Nadu. Option C. Bhakhra Nangal, Punjab. Option D. Hirakud, Orissa. The correct answer is Option B. Tungabhadra, Tamil Nadu. Tungabhadra is in Karnataka. Question number 11. When does the moon come between the sun and the earth? Option A. Lunar eclipse. Option B. Solar eclipse. Option C. Sidereal day. Option D. Full moon day. The correct answer is Option B. Solar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when the new moon passes directly between the earth and the sun. This casts a shadow on the earth and blocks our view of the sun. A total solar eclipse occurs when the moon's shadow completely blocks the sun. Question number 12. Turpentine oil used in medicine is obtained from Option A. Acacia. Option B. Cheer pine. Option C. Myrobalance. Option D. Kusum. The correct answer is Option B. Cheer pine. The turpentine obtained from the resin of all pine trees is antiseptic, diuretic, rubefacient and vermifuge. It is a valuable remedy used internally in the treatment of kidney and bladder complaints and is used both internally and as a rub and steam bath in the treatment of rheumatic affections. Question number 13. Which of the following is cold stream? Option A. Eurasia. Option B. Labrador. Option C. Gulf of Stream. Option D. Hakuna Hatata. The correct answer is Option B. Labrador. The Labrador Current is a cold current in the North Atlantic Ocean which flows from the Arctic Ocean south along the coast of Labrador and passes around Newfoundland, continuing south along the east coast of Nova Scotia. Question number 14. Which of the following is the smallest ocean of the world? Option A. Pacific. Option B. Indian. Option C. Atlantic. Option D. Arctic. The correct answer is option D. Arctic. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest of the world's 5 ocean basins. It is about 1.5 times as big as the United States. Question number 15. Which of the following soil is very hard to cultivate? Option A. Alluvial. Option B. Red. Option C. Black. Option D. Sandy. The correct answer is option B. Red. Red soil might not be suitable fit for agriculture because it might not contain the suitable minerals which are necessary for the growth of the crop on which it is grown. Red soil has the least water holding capacity and has very much amount of iron and phosphorus which is very harmful for the crops. Question number 16. In determining the Indian climate, major role played by Himalayas is /R. Option A. The east-west extension of the Great Himalayas does not permit the summer monsoon to cross it and thus keeps its sojourn restricted to India. Option B. They direct the summer monsoon towards the northwest. Option C. During the winter they stop the southward penetration of the cold and dry polar air. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. The Himalayas play a very important role in influencing the climate of India. India is a monsoon land only because of the presence of Himalayas. It traps the monsoon winds from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal and forces them to shed their moisture content within the Indian subcontinent in the form of snow and rain. Question number 17. The rock material carried by a glacier is called option A. Alluvium. Option B. Meanders. Option C. Nodules. Option D. Moraines. The correct answer is option D. Moraines. A lateral moraine forms along the sides of a glacier. As the glacier scrapes along, it tears off rock and soil from both sides of its path. This material is deposited as lateral moraine at the top of the glacier's edges. Lateral moraines are usually found in matching ridges on either side of the glacier. Question number 18. Krishna Raja Sagar Dam is built across the river. Option A. Kaveri. Option B. Tungabhadra. Option C. Krishna. Option D. Godavari. The correct answer is option A. Kaveri. Krishna Raja Sagara, also popularly known as KRS, is the name of both a lake and the dam that creates it. It is located close to the settlement of Krishna Raja Sagar. The dam is across Kaveri River, in Mandya in Karnataka state, India. There is an ornamental garden attached to the dam, called Brindavan Gardens. Question number 19. The greatest diversity of animal and plant species occurs in option A. Temperate deciduous forests. Option B. Tropical moist forests. Option C. Heavily polluted rivers. Option D. Desert lands. The correct answer is option B. Tropical moist forests. Species diversity is greatest in the tropics, particularly in tropical forests and coral reefs. The Amazon basin in South America has the largest area of tropical forests. Question number 20. What is meant by the term cirrus? Option A. A low cloud. Option B. A rain-bearing cloud. Option C. A high cloud. Option D. A hail-bearing cloud. The correct answer is Option C. A high cloud. Cirrus, cloud classification symbol, C, is a genus of atmospheric cloud generally characterized by thin, wispy strands, giving the type its name from the Latin word cirrus, meaning a ringlet or curling lock of hair. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now, link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.